Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Netflix on TV. Once Netflix loaded, use your TV remote to go to the left side menu. If you don't see the menu, press the back button on the remote until it appears. Now scroll down in the menu and select Get Help or Setting. On some TVs, this is also says Help or Support. Next, select Sign Out. Netflix will now ask you to confirm. Choose Yes or Sign Out and you are done. Your Netflix account is locked out of the TV. If you don't see Get Help, here's another way to work on many TVs. On the Netflix home screen, press the button on your remote in order: up, up, down, down, left, right, up, 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 up. This opens a hidden Netflix menu. From there, select Sign Out. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.